Dear doctors, many doctors think that consent is a formality. It is not. Informed consent is a legal contract between the patient and the doctor with terms and conditions defined very clearly. That is why bad consent kills doctor. For a long time, doctors were governed by only one act, that is Medical Council Act. Definition of medical negligence was based on Bolam test, whether reasonable care was given by a doctor with average skill and knowledge. Today, 92 acts are applicable to doctors. New act in new form is Consumer Protection Act of 2019. Healthcare is fundamental right of every citizen. Because of poor spending, poor governance and corruption, government is able to cater to only 30% of the population. Other 70% depend on private health sector. Instead of facilitating the private health care, government is harassing doctors by bringing new laws every day. Parliamentarians are not interested in capping the compensation, but want to cap doctors' professional fees. One adverse event happens in clinic or hospital. Patient can give police complaint under IPC section 324A or 336 and ask for jail punishment. Give complaint in medical council and ask for cancellation of his medical degree. Give complaint in district consumer commission and ask for compensation. Give complaint under Clinical Establishment Act and ask for closure of his clinic or hospital. Give complaint to Human Rights Commission. All these happen simultaneously, and this happens only in India. Patient can complain to Consumer Commission by sending email over his mobile phone, no fee to be paid, no need to attend the hearings because Commission fights for him. District Consumer Commission enjoys power of judicial magistrate first class, which means Consumer Commission can order doctors' arrest. District Consumer Commission tries deficiency in services of doctor, excess charges for service, unfair trade practice. These parameters are undefined and ambiguous, which means doctor is fully under the mercy of the commission. If doctor is not happy with the order of the commission, he has to deposit 50% of compensation and file appeal, which will go on for many years. Tired of many years of trial, doctor may think of ending his life. It will not solve the problem because his wife and children will have to fight or pay. Better, doctor fights his case. Patient may file false or frivolous complaint just to harass doctor. There is no penalty for filing false or frivolous complaint. Why advocates are exempted from CPA 2019? No logical explanation. Total patients' rights are not there in all countries. In USA it is there, where people are educated and rich. In many countries like Denmark and New Zealand, patient cannot sue the doctor. If patient suffers any loss due to medical complication, government pays compensation because these governments know doctor cannot do his best if his hands are shaking. How doctor can save himself from CPA 2019? By perfect counseling, perfect consent, perfect documentation, even if it takes extra time, extra manpower and extra money. Taking procedure-specific informed consent, handwritten or by patient or receptionist in patient's language, signed by patient, attendant, receptionist, doctors and wardeners. Informed consent shall include procedure, alternates, risk, complications, outcome, duration, better expenditure also. Question is it practicable to take 16 pages consent for delivery? handwritten or all printed. Taking consent on pre-printed forms with fillable blanks is unfair trade practice. Whatever be the difficulties, it has to be done because law is as. Do not treat patients from other districts. Doctor will have to run to that district to defend himself. Keep off from Ayushman Bharat, etc. It is not worth the risk. Do not treat critically ill patients. Stabilize and refer to well-equipped hospitals. Do not treat super rich patients. You may become bankrupt. In contrast to popular belief, government doctors and ESI doctors also come under CPA 2019. Resident doctors also need to take indemnity insurance. Medical practice is based on probabilities and full of uncertainties. We don't know what happens when. Take indemnity insurance first. Otherwise, you may become bankrupt. IMA Professional Protection Indemnity Insurance is the best. Thanks to Dr. Neeraj Nagpal. Please like this video and subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask in the chat box. I'm happy to answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.